Hey everybody, welcome back. Brendan here with P3 News and Reviews, doing another little unboxing video of some cool stuff that can help you, whether you're a photographer in the field or someone going out overlanding or anything else like that. I'm gonna be doing two here. I've got a BLUETTI little power pack here. Got an eHomey refrigerator I'll be doing next. So let's check it out here. These I bought brand new from all of our favorite store that everybody shops online. The one that has that A to Z logo. No prepaid stuff here. So overbox here, nice little job. So good for shipping. Of course, you have all your legal stuff there, so you don't have to worry about it when it is in shipping. So nice solid thing. First note here, it says keep this box, returns cannot be accepted without this box. So obviously if you have a problem, it looks like you need to return it in this box. So we got a little top packet here. In here we've got our power cords. So we've got looks like solar to DC connectors, I believe. I'm not 100% sure there. I'll look in instructions. Standard wall plug outlet right there with your computer style attachment there. Also, I bought separately, I already opened this one, a adapter here so you can go to the DC plug, but for car outlet charging with your cigarette lighter. I had to buy that separate. So if you are going to be charging this in your car, just buy a regular cigarette outlet. You'll need that separate. I've read up on that. So well packaged again. So that's your foam here. So right in here, as you can see, we've got our instruction manual and our unit. Nothing else except a little desking packet. So this is the EB3A unit for anyone that's interested. I got this. I thought it would be perfect for what my needs are on the road, maybe a little bit at home. It can run a refrigerator for a couple hours according to everybody. So let's turn this thing around. So again, good solid packaging. What's nice here also is that you do have a wireless charger up here for your phone, so you pop that phone right there. So check it out. On front, typical cigarette outlet. That's your input for your wall plug. Your 12 to 28 volt actually, DC input. So that's going to be what these cords are for right there. Outputs here, the barrel plug outputs. USB, you have USB-A. Looks like we have two of those right here. Solid three-prong outlet, so they're grounded. 2 ports. That's one of the reasons why I chose this over something else. All the ports were a grounded outlet. And of course you have your little flashlight, which, there we go. Turn it on here and we'll see. So this out of the box, we're at a 64% charge. So it's estimating 30 hours of current usage. So there's your flashlight. Nothing bright enough to get by. Has a couple modes there, high, low, and strobe. There's your power button here for your output. But solid little unit. Handle stows flat. It is hard to get out. So that little grip panel there definitely needs some improvement. So it once it's locked in there, it doesn't come out too much. You see it just a little bit there, but to get that out, it does lock in. Good solid weight. Rubber plugs. Stay flat. You're all set to go. So anyhow, come back. Fan output for cooling, intake there, solid little unit. So user manual. I'm a guy, so I'll read this one. I can't figure out how to finally work it. So come back for our next video here. We'll get the fridge unplugged and try it out with this guy.